News. All right, live look Parma. You can see the cloudy sky, and the rain's not here yet. But we have a lot to get to here, so let's dive in. You can see we are dry. This stuff is not reaching the ground. We'll see maybe around Dover, New Philly, you might be starting to get a little bit of rain. But the main batch is right here, Dayton. This is tracking to the northeast. So eventually it's going to start to rain here by around 7, 8 o'clock this morning. Okay, so how much are we talking? It's generally going to be a 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Most of this will fall during the day. I'm looking at some scattered showers here tonight. So that's going to be system number 1 that you see right here and the moisture along it. So that's what we have today. The lead low or the lead front. This is the big guy right here. You see that front over South Dakota, Nebraska. These are winter storm warnings for Minnesota now, including Minneapolis. So they're going to get system snow out of that. But that's the cold front that'll be crossing tomorrow morning. And you'll know it because we're going to have intense winds, a few showers with it. But let's talk about today. We're starting First Alert Future View at 1 o'clock this afternoon where it's going to be raining. Now, temperatures are going to make it up in the low to mid 50s today. It looks like, and hopefully even for the late day rush here, for the ride home, the steady rain is going to be winding down, but we'll still have some scattered showers around this evening and then a little lull. This is the cold front, 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Now look at the temperatures early on. We're going to be above 50, but we hit our high in the early morning. Front comes through. We crash into the 30s later in the afternoon, and this is when the lake effect snow will develop. I'm seeing right now tomorrow night is when things could get going, and we're also going to have moisture off of Lake Michigan as well. It's a west steering wind. So what we're going to do now, this is my forecast, Wednesday night only. So this is by Thanksgiving morning. And remember, you're under a winter storm watch here for Lake Geauga, Ashtabula County. We could be seeing locally over 7 inches of snow here where the squalls persist. Again, this is just Wednesday night, but then on Thanksgiving, high winds, more lake effect snow, especially east of Cleveland. Might get a little shift in the wind by Friday. I'm going to show you this in the 7-day forecast straight ahead. Kelly?
Especially with all the changes happening over the next few days. If you are traveling for the holidays, staying here even, download the 19 First Alert weather app. Heavy rain alerts, snow alerts, cold alerts, you name it. If something looks like it's going to impact you, you'll get the alert right to your phone based on where you live or where you're at. You can pick how the app is set up. To download it, all you got to do is scan the QR code you see right there on your screen with your phone.